Triumph has unveiled its updated 2025 Speed Twin 1200 models, introducing a standard version and a higher performance RS variant with new styling, increased power, upgraded suspension, and new IMU-based electronics. Both bikes will hit North American dealerships in December, with the standard Speed Twin 1200 priced at $13,595 and the Speed Twin 1200 RS starting at $15,995. The new Speed Twin showcases refined styling that balances modern aesthetics with its classic roots. The fuel tank now features a sleek, streamlined shape with deeper knee cutouts and a new flip-up fuel cap. Beneath the redesigned 1-piece bench seat, the side panels seamlessly integrate with the brushed aluminum throttle body covers, echoing design elements seen on the Speed 400. The front end sports a more compact round headlight with a new brushed aluminum bezel and cast aluminum finishers. Additionally, new cast wheel designs lend a sportier and more contemporary appearance. Although the engine looks similar to its predecessor, Triumph has squeezed an additional 5 horsepower from the 1200cc parallel twin engine, achieving a peak output of 103.5 horsepower at 7,740 RPM and 82.6 pound-feet of torque at 4,250 RPM. The engine maintains its distinctive character thanks to its 270 degrees firing order and low-inertia crankshaft. The updated electronics package includes lean-sensitive traction control and cornering ABS. The standard Speed Twin 1200 offers 2 ride modes, road and rain. In contrast, the RS model adds a sport mode for enhanced throttle response and optimized traction control. Both models feature a revamped instrumentation system, replacing the previous dual-gauge setup with a single LCD and TFT display. This new display provides phone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and a USB-C charging port. The Speed Twin 1200 RS is designed for a sportier riding experience, featuring ergonomics that differ significantly from the standard model. The RS handlebars are 0.6 inches lower and 0.4 inches further forward, while the footpegs are 0.3 inches higher and 1.6 inches further back. The seat height is also raised slightly to 31.9 inches from the ground. In addition to the extra sport mode, the RS comes equipped with a bidirectional quickshifter. The RS features premium suspension components, including fully adjustable 43mm Marzocchi inverted forks with 4.7 inches of travel and Öhlins dual fully adjustable external reservoir shocks with 4.8 inches of travel. Braking duties are handled by Brembo Stylema M430 radial mount calipers paired with 320mm discs up front, and a Nissan 2-piston floating caliper with a 220mm disc at the rear. The RS also comes standard with Metzeler Race Tech RK3 tires. The 2025 Speed Twin 1200 RS is available in Baja Orange or Sapphire Black, both featuring RS graphics, anodized suspension components, and brushed aluminum fenders. The standard Speed Twin 1200, while not as sporty as the RS, still features notable updates. It comes with handlebars that are 0.7 inches higher and 0.5 inches further forward compared to the previous model. The seat height is slightly lower at 31.7 inches. The standard model uses Marzocchi 43mm inverted forks with updated settings and 4.7 inches of travel, and preload adjustable twin rear shocks with external reservoirs and 4.6 inches of travel. It features Triumph branded 4-piston radial calipers and Sportec M9RR tires from Metzeler. The standard model will be available in crystal white, carnival red, and aluminum silver color options. In summary, the 2025 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 and RS offer exciting updates for enthusiasts of this iconic British bike. The standard Speed Twin brings refined styling and modern technology to the classic platform, while the RS variant delivers a more performance-oriented experience with advanced suspension, braking components, and electronics. Whether you're seeking the everyday charm and updated features of the standard model or the heightened sportiness and premium components of the RS, Triumph's new offerings promise to cater to a range of riding preferences.